Caulk has dozens of uses around the house, from sealing off drafts to water leaks, even keeping pests out. That makes the caulk gun one of the most helpful tools you can have. Here's how to use one. This cylinder-shaped section holds a tube of caulk. When you press the trigger, it pushes the plunger forward. The plunger applies pressure to the bottom of the tube, squeezing the caulk out. To open the caulk tube, cut the tip using a utility knife, or if you have a caulk gun with a spout cutter, just squeeze the trigger to cut off the tip. Some tubes of adhesive and caulk are also sealed at the base of the spout. This built-in metal rod is a handy feature to have. Otherwise, puncture the seal using a long nail. To load the caulk, pull the plunger back and place the cylinder of the caulk into the cradle. To apply a strip of caulk known as the bead, squeeze the trigger to keep a steady, even pressure on the bottom of the cylinder. Move the gun in a smooth, continuous motion. Squeeze the trigger to apply more pressure as the flow slows down. If you have a caulk gun with a release lever, press it as you get close to the end of your bead. This stops the pressure, so the caulk won't continue to squeeze out and make a mess. To set the seal, wet your fingertip and run it along the bead of caulk. Pull back on the rod to remove the empty tube of caulk. You may need to hold down the release lever to do this. For more helpful tips and advice, ask the associates at your neighborhood Ace and visit us online at acehardware.com.